Hey everybody, this is Ken. I am back with another accessory from Tesstudio. Tesstudio sent me this as a very fast video and it's kind of unique, and I wanted to share it with you, and I told them I will review it for you all. And if you want to get a discount on this, see it in the description below to get a nice little discount on this item. Very inexpensive. It is basically a projection light. It's very simple install. The one that I chose was the plaid symbol. You have different choices for the projection light. Available options, it's showing as a space-time orbit. Also, they have moonwalking, commemorative edition, then moonmark. Those are your options. That's pretty much it. Let's just show you a quick of how this looks. There's no instructions in this. You can see that's how it looks right there, and it'll project to the ground. It'll go just like this. You have two right here, two, I guess they're LEDs that lights up your license plate, but I'm gonna pop this one off here, disconnect the little cable, and then put this one in here. Okay, all right, so I look like I got it off. Should have took off my license plate, to be honest with you. All right, I'm gonna take this license plate off to give me a little bit more wiggle room here. So you can see that little cable right there. I'm gonna just pull on it. Just be a little careful. Just like that. So that's the old one. I'm gonna grab this one. It has like two little prongs. Make sure this part right here is facing down, of course, to the ground. And I have that trim. I'm gonna save this trim to put back with the original product if I decide not to use this. And all we're gonna do is clamp it back in. You heard it clamp. It should work. So I'll pull it into a little darker area just to see if it'll work. But let me show you how it looks in my garage in the dark. You might be able to see that plaid symbol just a little bit, and it's right here. It's really nice, actually. I'm not sure if you can see it in the camera. Let's test it out. Let's let the garage door down. Very nice projector. I actually didn't think I would like it. Have to get a bird's eye view of it so you can see it. I thought it was gonna be really large. Wow, this is nice. Great job, Tesstudio. All right, on to nighttime.